Kuliah cuma review ro section 4 kijim tip nam ta ki khubar like kam te gidon kumba khasau tali e ki post ki balan te kini ki de po ka social welfare department government of Meghalaya Shillong invite application for eligible and interested candidate who are domicile of Meghalaya te kini ki post bede ki contractual contract system kin sa renew bede kat kum ka jingdon kam ka jungki te kitu ki ko aban apply sapet bhai kini qualification ke experience la rapidon te fill up an apply la rapimdon umdon kam an apply ki nom pideng ya phimo tang ki badon ka qualification ki la an apply te ki keteng ju ki post Shillong ki never ki de bia po Shillong ma keteng ju post Shillong ka IT supervisor ka number of post kan ta ka we kene tu lok kolong R hajar te ki bala an apply Shillong post graduation in computer lane IT tang kita bala apply mom post graduation in computer lane IT bladap master in computer lane IT take age limit they as per government norms kane ke age limit bede ka government norms kare we hadu life R plus sun temut ba life news name hadu life news name nam ta ki SC/ST marke ai 5 year relaxation temut ba hadu life news name te kata te jidon kamru e ka work experience mo nam ta kane ka IT supervisor Tehakane ka IT supervisor don kam ke experience ka balong minimum of 3 years experience in data management, process documentation and web-based reporting formats. Te la rapidon igine ki experience belum nai filap na apply. Don kam choy ka qualification ba plus experience. Place of posting ka don Shillong. Call operators no, call operators kade 10 shipo teli post namta call operators katulok long arpo jar te kibala apan apply gilong kibala dep ka graduate degree in social work BSW lane sociology BA sociology child development lane human rights lane public administration lane psychology BA psychology lane psychiatry law public health community resource management from recognized university tang kini ki bala apna apply mo omde baro bala apply sapej bhala la phidon ye kata qualification kat kum kane phila apna apply hane ki post ki don ship ho tali ki post call operator te la phidon qualification phila apna apply ka age limit ka devi kum ju te hangne bde ka work experience hangne don kam than chu omai da having good communication skill in Hindi English and or regional language la phidon ye kata good communication skill phila apna apply don kam than and having requisite qualification and experience of working on telecom and web-based relevant system. Then multi-purpose staff karon takaway ka post khat arajar kanedi class 12 pass. Any person who is literate with knowledge and experience of working in relevant domain. And security guard lane night guard don kam arngut shiphojar tulop shimnai. Class 12 pass kaneru having at least 2 years experience dan hours name experience of working as security personnel bila ada 3 security personnel in a government or reputed organization at district and state level tangi taki bala ban apply nang ni ka jaka ka de po Shillong man tagi ne te ki ko ban apply te application last date kadai till application will be received till 21st August 2023 candidate without the desirable qualification and experience need not apply. Don't come and apply. Kibam don qualification and kibam don experience bapan don't come and apply. The application duly filled in standard form. Ye application form hila ban pendap yang baka standard form keba hila ban yo pok ki serok dukan serok hila ban kali ning tu pinyo base pun ka we bisa pendap yang baka tu along with two attested passport size photograph. Artli ki passport size photograph kebala attest na pihi photograph attested copies of certificate pihable self attested by ki certificate ke baro and self address envelope may be submitted to the Office of State Child Protection Society tekane office karan po Child Protection Service KGPA building IGP Shillong karan po IGP kan mau saliwat hang tu po IGP ka keteng jogane kare State Child Protection Society Child Protection Service KJPA building pihable liwat hakane ka KJPA building apo IGP ka don kitu ko pa apply select ka bon kam na lapi ko apply nam takni na lapi don ka qualification marka experience thank you tip kulish bon